Hello there, welcome back. An unboxing. Oh yes. I never heard the chap at the door. So I heard a noise on my phone, an alert. Checked it, it says that something had been delivered. So I opened the front door. There's a box lying. Not too keen on that happening. Anybody could have just lifted it. And there is a secure entry, but sometimes it's left open, that front, the main door of the building. Anyway, I failed the intelligence test for opening the box. I'll definitely say that was a failure to open it. Failed the intelligence test. So, there's the box. Can you see that through the plastic? I'm recording this video on the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. This is the GoPro Hero 10 Black Edition. Watch this, they'll release the GoPro 11 next week. And you get a wee SD card as well, 32 gig. I've ordered a 256 gig, but that's not here yet. So, let's crack this open. See if I can do a wee bit better with this, eh? There's a tear strip. Fantastic. You get the case. This was the camera plus the accessories I bought. So the accessories are the wee SD card, the case. I think you didn't get a shorty, but you get a wee mount, I think. So I'm like a kid at Christmas. The GoPro 10. That paper comes off. In theory. And you tear those protective things off, which I'll do in a minute. Wee quick guide. That's for the QR code for the app. Quick. GoPro Quick. I've already got that on my phone, which I'm using now to record. It's like a remote for you. So, always good to have bump. This is, oh, it's a clip for, oh my goodness, that's quite strong, that. It's like a crocodile grip. The official GoPro one with the buckle attachment. 2 batteries. You get a battery with the camera, and you get a spare battery with the accessories kit extras. So that's the wee buckle attachment. So you attach the camera to that, and that just fits in here. You have to lift that, I think. That'll just slip in, and you close that so you can't press the release. Your camera goes on that, and you attach that to whatever. Oh, 2 thumbnail screws. Wow. And 2, well, that's a spare buckle. And a curved sticky thing. And what's in here? Oh, it's the wee, I don't know if this is the shorty, but I've got the shorty. I'm using that tripod to hold the camera that I'm filming with. I don't think it's quite the shorty, but it is a wee tripod, which is very nice. Actually, you know what? That might extend. Let's see. Or maybe no. But that's a handy wee tripod. So what I'm going to do now is update the firmware, etc. Charging cable. There we go. So I'll pop the battery in, charge it up, and then update the firmware, etc. And then do some tests. So excited. So, thanks for watching. Blue. The batteries are blue. This is my third GoPro. I've still got the Hero 4, the Hero 8, and the Hero 10. Big kit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now. Cheers, my dears.